Alright, you have a 2011 Hyundai Sonata and you want to take off this door panel for whatever reason. Maybe you need to change the window switches. Maybe you need to change the window regulator. I'm going to show you how to do it. Get yourself a little screwdriver first, and we're going to come over here. We're going to pop this right out, and there's a Phillips screw right there, and we're going to take that off or out. Do not attempt to pop this out. It will not come out. Next, we're going to come over here. Now I remember, it took me a second. There's a cap right there. I hope you can see it. And get your little screwdriver again and go up with it. Okay, now that it's up, you'll see a Phillips screw. We're going to take that off. These Hyundai door panels are pretty simple to come off. Easy to work on cars. Alright, so we got this Phillip out. You got to make sure every thread is out. One thread will cause the door to hold on to that screw. Alright, so now we're going to get a bigger screwdriver. We're going to come to the bottom and we're going to put it in between the door frame. And we're just going to go back like that. Like that. She's still hung up right here. And now we're just going to go up. Let me pop this off. Just so you see, it's just held on by that. This is just a guide to go inside that hole, and then this is another guide to go inside that hole. Alright, so the object here is just to grab the door panel and just come up with it and then pull towards you. You see this one screw is still barely hanging on. That's why I said every last thread has to be off. All right, here we are. And there you have it. So if you need to get the window regulator off, you would come over here and start taking off these bolts. This video is not how to change a window regulator though. All right, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped out. If it did, throw me a like button, please. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. It's free. All right, guys and girls, take it easy.